Hello again, folks. This time in the device I'm attempting a single pin pick. It is this 6-pin YALE AS Platinum Euro, and the AS stands for anti-snap. It does have working key. It's like all in this one on Solomon. It does work very, very smoothly. And there's your bitting on the key. Nothing to write home about, but it does have some lovely security pins in here. I'm going to use top keyway tension and this clomb hook. And you just need to take it pretty easy with the pins, as key pins do feel strange, like serrated pins. So you can overset them very quick, I find. But I find if you're heading in the right direction, you do get slight turn of the core every now and again, which gives you a bit of encouragement. But it's just patience with it. We normally touch right, small turn of the core there. There it is. Oh, sorry, tension lens fell out, but that is picked, as you can see. There you go. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to attempt to cut this. Sorry, there you go. Camera's not behaving today, so I'll bring this down, give us a bit of space. Bring the stuff in. Sorry. I'll lock this back up again. Lift the stuff out of the back. Take the wee clip off the back. You can see what I'm doing. There we are. Let's see what type of fish are in here. So, okay, so I think that's a wee anti-drill plate that sits at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that there. A pair of tweezers. Sorry, it'll be hard to see that. Anyway, I'll get on with the key pins. So, pin number 1, we have, it's like you can see that there at the top. There's a serration there at the top. Hard to describe that. Pin number 2, and you can see, if you can focus. See that? It's like big serrations there. You can see that. Strange key pins. And pin number 3. There you go, as you can see that. It's the same again. 6 serrations there. It's like a barrel as well. Pin number 4. And it's the same thing as you can see. Pin number 5. Yay. You can see that. It's alright, not focusing. There you go. I think it's the same again. Hard to see. And number 6 is the same again. You can see that. Funny shaped key pins. I don't think there's any. Doesn't look as if there's any counter milling in the chambers. No, they all feel smooth. Anyway, onwards. Driver pins. In pin number 1, we have. It's one of these here. That's like a barrel with 2 serrations either end. You can see that. Number 2. We have exactly the same, 2 serrations either end, that large part in the centre. Number 3, as I would expect, somewhere in there, standard key pin. Sorry, standard driver in 3. Number 4 is another standard driver. Oh, put that in the wrong one. Sorry guys. Put that in the right one. Number 5 is, you can see that, another standard. And last but not least, number 6 is, that's another standard. So in there you have, in number 1 you have, there's like a serrated key pin and like a spool, serrated spool. Another serrated key pin and serrated spool. Another serrated key pin on a standard. Another serrated key pin on a standard. Another serrated key pin on a standard. And another serrated key pin. Sorry, goes in there on a standard. So all in all, some nice security pins in there. Anyway folks, thanks for bearing with me and thanks for watching, and take care of yourselves and all the best now. Bye bye.